Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm gonna show you two things. The first thing is how to know how many students actually registered and used their how many students actually registered and used their book codes through Blackboard. What do you need to know? To access the e-content. What you need to know is that you go to the المحتوى الدراسي, or what you call course content. Click on it, and then you click on the e-content. In my case, I have Oxford Elementary. Some of you might have Oxford Beginner or Oxford Pre-Intermediate. Click on it. Wait for the page to load. And this is only for Headway, by the way. Okay, after that, click on the name of your class, which is like اللغة الإنجليزية لمجالات إدارة or EBA Elementary. Click on it. And from here, you have the student. Okay, click on student. Now I have the list of my students in here. Okay, now this is the list of my students. Okay, so I think like the best way to scroll down or to move is using your down arrow that is in your keyboard, in your computer keyboard. Use the down arrow, okay, to scroll down. So if you want to move down, first of all, you need to put the mouse cursor and click on one of the students' names, and then you click down, down. Okay, now this is the list of my students who register through Blackboard. I have to count them. You have to count them manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, so on and so forth. You have to count them manually. For example, now I have how many students here? Let's say I have 24. Now, please, I need this number. I need you to enter this number in the Google form that I will send to you by email. This is the first thing that we need from you. Thank you very much for your cooperation. The first thing. The other thing I'm going to show you, if you want to go back, what you need to do, just click on here on the class name. The other thing we need to know is that how many students actually took the flipped classroom activity. They answered the flipped classroom activity. How many students? Okay, so this is the one. Type. We need to know that. Type. How we can tell how many students actually took this one. You need to scroll down, go to the grade center, and then click on full grade center. From here, you see the list of the students and the activities. For each activity or each test or each whatever, you have a column. This is flipped classroom listening activity 1. This is the one that I need. Now I need to know how many students actually took the activity. They answered the activity, and when they took the test, which is actually a test, it's an activity in a form of a test. So when they took the test, they have results. Okay? For example, now this one, we count only the results. Please, only count the results only. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count, please continue counting. Once you have the number, let's say I have 17 students. Please enter this number 17, for example. When you count, into the number that you have in the Google form the Google form link that I will send you by email. Thank you for your cooperation. To wrap up, we need two things to know: the number of the students who registered and accessed the e-content through Blackboard. This is one. Number two, We need to know how many students actually took the flipped classroom activity one. Okay, we need this to be accurate. Please, uh, we uh, we need the information to be as accurate as possible for statistical purposes. Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for your cooperation, and thank you for watching.